Carnot map. Implementing a given logic function, it is advisable to use the minimum hardware or the circuitry. For this, the logic function is to be brought to the simplest form. This can be done using Boolean algebra. Another systematic method for simplifying and manipulating Boolean expression is known as the Carnot map. Here, Carnot map can have the visual display for the sum of products and product of sum. Here, sum of product is known as SOP and product of sum is known as POS. Here, Carnot map has the matrix of cells for expressing a logic function, and it is used to obtain graphically a minimal algebraic expression for the function. The map will contain 2 to the power of n cells for an n variable function. By the use of Carnot map, one can implement a given switching function, that is the Boolean expression, with the minimum number of gates. This is achieved by minimizing the number of terms as well as the number of terms themselves in the switching functions. There are 2 variable Carnot map, 3 variable Carnot map, and also the 4 variable Carnot map. So now we are going to see the 2 variable Carnot map and how we are going to simplify the Boolean expressions for the 2 variable Carnot map. For this, here we are having one example. Let we have y is equal to AB bar plus AB. Here, so now we are going to have the graphical representation by using the Carnot map method. So here we are having y equal to AB bar plus AB. So this is the mandatory thing for the Carnot map. So first we want to draw this like a square, and we want to put we want to separate as the cells, simple cells for the 2 variable Carnot map, and here we want to represent as A bar A and B bar B. So now the first function is y is equal to AB bar. So for y is equal to AB bar, we want to have first for AB bar we want to fix the number for that. So first AB bar, so this is here A and this is here B bar. So here we want to put the 1. Okay, then next we are having AB. So for that, here is A and here is B. So for this AB we want to put the 1 here. So for y is equal to AB bar plus AB, we are putting like this. So for y is equal to AB bar, the representation is here 1, and for AB the representation is 1 here. But for the other terms will be represented as 0. But here we no need to put 0. We can understand that the places are occupied with 0, and here we want to we don't want to put 0 here. So now the answer for this simple logic equation is for y is equal to AB bar plus AB is y is equal to B. Now listen here, for this subcube, the common term is only A. Okay, so the answer is A. So for this logic function, the answer is A. Okay, va? So now the example 2, we are going to see the example 2. Y is equal to AB bar plus AB plus A bar B. So this is the equation. Thus this equation must be want to solve by this Carnot map method. So now listen. Here also we are having the graphical representation of the Carnot map method. So here I already told you that we want to put A bar A and B bar B, and now we want to represent for A B bar. I already told you for A B bar what we want to put. Where is A? Here is A and here is B bar. So for this we want to put 1 here, and then for AB here is A and here is B. So for this here we want to put 1, and the third column is third term is a bar b, and for this a bar b. So so for this a bar b, we want to put 1 here. Okay, for once again I am repeating, for a b bar, here is a and here is b bar, so we want to put 1 for here. Okay, then the second term is a b, so here is a and here is b, so we want to put 1 here. And the third one is a bar b, so a bar b, so we want to put 1 here. So for the 3 terms we put the answer like this, and the remaining term we want to put 0, that we understood. Okay, wow. So now we put we put in the each and every shells as represented by 1. Okay, now how we want to simplify this? Now look in the cell near the a, here for this 2 subcells, which this a is common. Okay, wow. So we are putting a, and then for this b is common, so we are putting b. Okay, now the answer is y is equal to a plus b, that is here y is equal to a or b. Okay, so here we are using the logic gate y is equal to a or b. So here we are using the logic symbol by using the or gate. Okay, wow. Now the next one is we are going to see 3 Karnaugh map. So first we see the 2 variable Karnaugh map, and now we are going to see the 3 variable Karnaugh map. In the 3 variable Karnaugh map we have 3 components, that is a, b and c, and the 2 variable Karnaugh map we have only a and b. So in the 3 variable Karnaugh map we are having 3 variables a, b and c, and also in the 4 variable Karnaugh map we have the 4 components, that is a, b and c, d. A, B, C and D. Okay, wow. So now in the 3 variable Karnaugh map we are having 3 variables, that is A, B, C. Here is the one example for this. Y is equal to A bar B C bar plus A B C bar plus A B C. So this is the expression we want to solve now. So now listen how we want to put the graphical representation of the Karnaugh map. So now listen, here we are having the Karnaugh map. In that we are having a bar a, b bar c bar, b bar c and b c bar. Okay, wow. So here we are going to represent each and every term as first a bar b c bar. Okay, wow. So here is the a bar, here is the a bar and b c bar, no. So here the last term is b c bar. So a bar b c bar means here for this a bar b c bar we want to put the answer like this 1 here. Okay, wow. Then the next term is a b c bar. So for this a b c bar. So for this a b c bar is here. Okay, wow. A b c bar. So here we are putting 1. Okay, wow. Then the third one is a b c, and for this here a is here and b c is here, where it is b c is here. Okay, wow. So for this here we are putting 1. So now we have put the ones, and the rest terms are 0, we know that, but here we didn't want to put that. So now how we want to find the answer in the graphical representation? It is very easy. That first check that in the we have rounded this 2 as 1 subcube and this 2 as 1 subcube. So here which is the common term? You itself know that here the common term is a, and in the right hand side, in the upper side, we are having the common term is b. So y is equal to ab plus, and for this vertical term here the common term is b c bar. Okay, so we have put the answer as b c bar. Okay, wow. Now the example 2, first we have see the example 1 and now the example 2 for the 3 variable Karnaugh map. Here we are having one example. Y is equal to a bar b c bar plus a bar b c plus a b c bar plus a b c. Now we want to simplify this big term, this big expression, like using this Carnot map. So already we have the graphical representation, and we have plot A bar, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B C and B C bar. Okay, for first A bar, B, C bar. For that A bar, B, C bar, here is the A bar and B, C bar is here. So we are putting the 1 here. Okay, then we have A bar, B, C. So A bar is here and BC is here. So we are putting 1, next one for the second term, and the third one is ABC bar. So A is here and BC bar is here. So ABC bar for the one we have put here, and for the fourth term ABC, here is A and here is BC. So we are putting 1. So I already told you we can circle 2 ones as 1 subcube, and also we can have 4 ones as 1 single cube. Okay, so the 4 ones have been circled as 1 subcube. Okay, wow. So now this for this, which term is common? You find it and say here B only the common term. So the answer is y is equal to B. Okay, wow. So this big term, this big term can be simplified by using the Carnot map, that y is equal to. Okay, wow. Now the next example is the example 3. Y is equal to A bar, B bar, C plus A, B bar, C plus ABC plus A bar, B, C bar. So like from the above example, like that we want to have the next one also. This is also a 3 variable Carnot map. So here we have the representation and we have plotted the terms. So first one is A bar, B bar, C bar. So first here we are having the A bar and B bar, C bar. So here we are A bar, B bar, C bar. So we are plotting the 1 here. Okay, then the next term is A, B bar, C. Okay, by A, B bar, C. So the next plot of 1 is here, and then third one is A, B, C. Here we are having A and here BC. So the next one, then the last term is A, B, C bar. So for that we are plotting here. Okay, now I already told you if you have 2 1 nearest, then we can encircle it. If you have 4 ones also, we can have as a 1 subcube. Like that the numbers which is in the edge of the diagram, like this and like this, we can combine this and have this at a and we can have this as 1 cube, 1 subcube. Okay, so from this we have the answer y is equal to AC plus A bar, C bar. So this is the answer. This is the simplification of this expression. Okay, so now we are going to see the 4 variable Carnot map. Here we are having, I already told you, in the 4 variable Carnot map we have 4 variables, that is A, B, C and D. Okay, that is A, B, C and D. So here this is the graphical representation of the 4 variable Carnot map. Here we have the cells as represented as A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB and AB bar, and horizontally C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD and CD bar. So now we are going to have the first term A bar, B bar, C bar, D, and for this here is A bar, B bar, and here is C bar, D. So we are putting the 1 like this. Okay, but for the next term we are having A bar, B bar, C, D. A bar, B bar is here and C, D is here. So we are putting 1 here, and the next term is A bar, B, C, D bar. So A bar, B is here and C, D bar. Okay, the third term. So here we are putting 1 here, and the last term is A, B, C, D bar. So A, B is here and C, D bar is here. So we are putting the 1 here. Okay, so we have plotted and we want to encircle like this. So we have encircled, and the final answer is y is equal to A bar, B, D plus C bar, plus C, D bar, B. Okay, so this is the simplification of the 4 variable Carnot map. Thank you.